In this video, I'm going to teach you the bulk write operations concept. When you need to perform multiple operations in a single collection, in a single query, then you need bulk write operations. Maybe you have a question, why do we need bulk write operations? Let me draw some diagrams. So bulk write operation is the efficient, more scalable. Let's say you have two microservice, or this is your Node.js project, right? Node.js project, and you want to get this some data. It could be anything, API or any system or any service. There is a data, or you can consider a CSV file here. Let's say CSV file records with 100k records, right? And you need to save that data in your project, and your Node.js project is using MongoDB database. Here we have the email subscribers, right? We have an email subscribers collection, let's say, and you need to get the 100,000 data from another API. You need to make the HTTP API request. By default, MongoDB can write 1000 records. There is a specific limit, but bulk write operation supports unlimited limit. If you let's say you got 100,000 records here, how will you do that? So you need to make, like, you gotta run the query for loop for 100 times. Let's say by default MongoDB saves 100 records, right? Then you need to create a loop to iterate 100 times to save the 100,000 records. But you can do the same stuff with bulk write, right? For if you will not use bulk write, you need to make the insertMany call after for 100 times, right? You can do the same thing here. You can imagine I'm doing the insertMany, right? We can do the same stuff. Let me copy that. We can do the same stuff with bulk write in a single method call. This is the use case of bulk write. It also helps to get data in real-time application. You can store that here. Just call the bulk write, just simple method. It will write the 100,000 records. It's more scalable. You can maybe you have a question, when do I need bulk write? When you need to perform multiple update operations, more than 1000, 1500, 15,000, 10,000, 100,000. If you need to perform insert, update, delete in a massive quantity, then you need bulk write operations. These are the types of bulk write operations: insertOne, insertOne, updateOne, deleteMany, deleteOne, replaceOne, and updateMany. There are other two categories of bulk write operations: ordered and unordered. In ordered, you can specify the order. Hey, please run the first write operation, then please run delete operation, then please run update operation. You can define your order, but by default MongoDB uses unordered approach. It doesn't follow any like sequence. In unordered approach is a more scalable options. You can say write, it could be write, update, delete. So when any operation fails, it will discard the complete application. It will discard the complete query. We're gonna use the unordered approach. For more theory, you can read this text. Let's say I have the products collection. What I want to do, I want to insert one document, say db.getCollection products dot insert dot bulk write. It will accept the array. I can say insertOne. Here I need to provide the document which I need to insert. Let's say I can copy that exact item and paste it here. So similarly, you can use the deleteOne. Let me copy that. That looks good. So we have a document insert one object. Here we have the document I need to insert. Similarly, I have update. Let's use another insert1. It's gonna insert the again new document. All right. Let's copy that update. Let's say I wanna update the quantity. Update the quantity of the item t-shirt. I will have this one and this one. The quantity will be updated to 8, right? And let's test that first. I think my MongoDB should be running. Connect to my, I think extension is disabled. MongoDB. No, not this one. I have to enable that. You must have MongoDB for VS Code. It is installed. Command Shift P and connect to MongoDB. MongoDB localhost colon 27017. That is good. Execute the query. And you can see that t-shirt quantity, which is 8. There is another document of t-shirt. You will see the quantity 8. But you can see the 75 because I was using updateOne. I was not using updateMany. Yeah, there is a syntax of updateMany. If you use that updateMany, this is my filter criteria object, and the record I have to update it here. You gotta provide in update object. Don't worry, it sounds like a little bit complex. When you write the query, you will get more comfortable. Here you can see the quantity of that t-shirt. Where are the t-shirt quantity 8, and this is t-shirt quantity 8. You can also do delete operation, just like I have done updateOne delete operation. I want to delete this white formal shirt, this one. It will be deleted. This is, you gotta provide the filter object, and you can also replace the complete object with this one. You can use the replace one. I want to replace the blue casual shirt to QTY 100 and colors. You will see only two properties in this object. This one. Let's test that. Semicolon is missing. What is this? This word is not defined. It's a little bit slow. Now it looks good. So first it's gonna insert these two documents, shoes and jacket. T-shirt, shoes and jacket. Let's find. Here we have the jacket, here we have the shoes. Next, update the quantity of the t-shirt items, quantity which is 8. Here I will have t-shirt quantity which is 8. Delete one. You will not see the white formal shirt, leather jacket, t-shirt. Yes, I don't have any white formal shirt. I use the updateMany. It looks good. And replacement, yeah. You gotta find the blue casual shirt. Only two properties in a blue casual shirt. So this one is a blue casual shirt. We don't have item. We replace that with QTY 100 and colors red, yellow, black and yellow. This is a use case of bulk write when you need to perform multiple operations, insert, delete, update, then you need bulk write.